Okay, y'all, welcome back. So basically, right now, she's just combing back all of the hair. I'm literally holding the frontal onto my head, just in this position. She's going to be using a hot comb to just make sure that all the hair is held back and flat. So now she's just going in and carefully cutting off all of the excess lace, y'all. This lace frontal was so like HD and it just looks so much like my scalp. I really loved it. So now she's just measuring the lace and making sure that it fits around the perimeter of my head properly. So here she's just taking a ghost blend glue and tracing the outside of the frontal so she can know where it's going to sit. Now she's going to take the scissors and cut off the excess part of the frontal that's like going past my ear. So now she's basically going to show you how you're supposed to use ghost blend glue. Ghost blend glue, you can't really put one layer down and then expect for your lace to lay. You have to do layer by layer. So basically she's just going to do one layer, let it dry, use another layer, let it dry, and so on and so forth. Now you're just going to take your lace and just lay it down where the glue was. after you're done laying down the lace, make sure that everything is flat and nice. You're going to tie around it while you sew in the hair. And that's really all for this process. I hope y'all like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, share it, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.